Hello, this is for two courses, and the goal is to demonstrate how to accomplish the assignment of participating in the discussion threads. This is for Educational Foundation students, which is showing now, and the process is similar to those taking the course under Making a Difference. First, I've opened up two units, and notice under schools in the second unit, the discussion thread is not currently available. This is causing some confusion for students. Notice above that under teachers, discussion thread is available. So what's going on and how do we get there? First, please also notice that within every lecture, here demonstrated with objectives, and sometimes we say lectures, they'll say start here for the course. You will notice that this lecture shows up, and one of the goals is to ask students to participate in the lectures first. We are scrolling down now, and you'll see, a discussion thread topic appears. When that appears, there will be a graphic demonstrating where the discussion thread Dropbox is located first. That's important, and you see it is here where this red arrow appears. That's indicating the Dropbox location up here above the blue bars. Before we get there, please scroll down to your machines, and you will notice within this lecture there is a list of things that must be included in the response. There is also here a rubric in terms of how you will be evaluated, also in the sidebar. And the worksheet that accompanies this particular question is located. Gives you some requirements, and also in this case will give you some tips on how to successfully complete the assignment valuing reflective thinking. We scroll back up now, and the goal here is that you will take those topics and you will work on those on your own computer first. You could do them when the Dropbox opens, but it'd be better to take the topics, perhaps cutting and pasting, and work on them first so that you have a stronger first response. That's one of the objectives. Once that is completed, you will then go to the Dropbox, as I'm selecting, and this is what will appear. This is very similar. A student has allowed me to use her materials to show you how it looks. And you'll see this item, submit assignment. Now, ignore this because I've returned it so that I can get over here the yellow star. So you won't see this when you first come in. You submit assignment, that is, remember you're cutting and pasting from your original work, or as you see you can do it here, but you want to take your time because this is your original response. Your drop down window here is here. Your drop-down window is here. You'll see Teachers is in black, Teachers Discussion Dropbox, because it's the only one currently in session, and you will select that. Once selected, you then will hit this button over here that says Submit Assignment. This currently says it's empty, but again, I've returned it so the yellow star will appear. Once it is returned, as soon as you submit it, you will have the opportunity then to do your discussion thread. So it'll be submitted, and as soon as that submission is made by you, it will then show you the discussion thread. That is, this with the star will appear in the appropriate place. Once it does, you select that. You'll see the window appears with, again, the discussion thread rubric, how you're going to be evaluated. Put it outside first so you can see it first, and then you will see again the question as a reminder. Come down here to the bottom, you will also then see respond. You cut and paste your original response here in this window, okay? Cut and paste in that window, put a title on it, hit post response, and then you can look to see what other students have done to engage them. Now, it's not going to appear until you submit the discussion, the original discussion, in the window, okay, in the first window. So it's not going to appear until you hit this Dropbox and you go through this process of submitting the assignment in this window. As soon as it does, it will trigger a response, and then the discussion will appear. I hope that helps to clarify the process. It is a little different from other courses, but the reason for doing this is to improve the quality of the discussion threads. It's going to work. If it doesn't, we'll try something else, but please take the time to learn the steps. It will be a much better course if you do so. And thank you very much, and please enjoy the discussion threads.